Good morning, Aries. Welcome back to week of April 14 through 20. This is general reading. Take the resonate and leave the rest. Let's find out what is the Aries message. Aries message for you. Aries, this is the April. April is month of shower. April is the April shower bring me flower. This is the area I'm living. There is lots of shower. I don't know, you can hear the sound of the rain. There is lots of shower is here. I'm gonna read the affirmation for Aries. Every day I do something kind for myself as a special gift. I am lovable and valuable. Wow. When you love yourself and you value yourself. Every day I do something kind for myself as a special gift. I am lovable and valuable. This is beautiful affirmation for Aries. Let's find out about what is the oracle message for Aries. Aries wants to know this week. Chaos and conflict. Lots of chaos is around us. Flexible. To be flexible. And imagination, is to imagine your peace, imagine your love, imagine your balance you wanted in your life. You wanted to have a balance in chaos world. There is lots of conflict, lots of is difficulty, lots of is bumping up and down, but need to be flexible. To be flexible, to move forward, be flexible to have a better life. With all this changing, the planet, is moving forward. All this difficulty around in our environment, we need to adapt ourselves. Be flexible for this and adapt yourself to use our imagination. Let's find out about the Tarot. Tarot message for Aries. This is the last card. Last card is Queen of Swords. Queen of managing your idea or thought or Queen can manage. Knight of Swords can planning to managing all these choices, all this and moving forward from this difficulty, moving forward from the past, moving forward from the things that they don't have any benefit for you, to reaching the Seven of Pentacles. You plant the seed, and this seed is going to be turned to the flower now. taking action, moving forward. Knight of Wand, Knight of Sword. Knight can manage, Knight can plan to move forward, plan to reaching the goal, plan to moving forward, to see the opportunity, plan to be flexible, plan to move from all this chaos and difficulty around you. Plan to be flexible, plan to go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward. To see the Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle, Three of Pentacle, getting together, working in community, lifting up each other and moving forward, taking care of yourself. Five of Wands, going for Ten of Pentacle. Ten of Pentacle. You need to take care of yourself to get your energy to moving forward, to have this energy of the family, to be with family. Five of Wands. There is the chaos, there is the challenge, there is the conflict. Conflict is all around us. Need to put some boundary around yourself, not to isolate yourself, not to put yourself in the box race. Put the boundary to what is accepted from you, what is not accepted, what you wanted to do, what you don't want it to do, what is the moving you to this Ace of Cups, and moving you from this ending the pain, whatever. Seven of Swords, ending this pain, whatever this pain is that. And Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, planning. Opportunity is here, working and taking action. Energy of the fire, energy of Aries, Leo, Sag. Energy of moving forward, energy of, is Queen of Pentacle. Queen of Pentacle, Nine of Wands, Knight of Pentacle. Wow. Change, death, reborn, the new opportunity. By planning, by moving forward, by making the chance for yourself, by having some boundary in what you wanted to have, what you accepted, and have this value for yourself. There is the opportunity is moving 10 to Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle and 10 of Pentacle. Opportunity of freedom, in your work, in your business, in your relationship, getting the security, having some security to be with your family, to enjoy your family. Be adaptable. Be adaptable, be flexible to have this opportunity. When you are flexible, that you're able to move from this negativity, whatever this negativity is. That 5 of swords, 9 of swords, thought, black, block, 8 of pentacles, security, energy of Virgo, energy of wisdom, energy of freedom. There is, is energy. There is be able to move from this new opportunity for yourself. Create this opportunity for yourself and move from this negativity. What is in the past? What is holding you back? What is not letting you to see the opportunity? Time to healing this situation, whatever it is, this situation, whatever is and see this 6 of cup, opportunity, don't miss the opportunity. 2 of cup, 6 of sword, moving forward for new life, not to see the back, fast movement to see the new opportunity and creating your own dream. Empress, give birth to your dream. Your dream come to reality when you take the action, when you moving forward, when you decided to move forward. This is opportunity for moving forward. Let's find out about the answer from the angel. What angel wants you know? Energy of the answer from the angel for Aries. Aries need to know from the angel. Whatever you want to do, you need to get the answer from the angel. The situation will improve. Whatever you wanted to do, the situation will improve. Grace. I hope this is the message for you. You like the message, it was helpful. If it was, please considering liking, subscribing and sharing this information with people. They might need this kind of information. I love you, spirit love you. Love yourself as you love others. Be healthy, be happy, be kind. Until next reading, bye bye.